Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway. I am affiliate marketing. I do high ticket programs. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that like. Please punch the bell. You can get every videos I make. Okay. Okay. For everything you have done, okay, for coming to my video, watching my channel. Okay. We do high ticket programs, and if you are interested in the program, you can contact me. You can send a message to me, and I'll respond to you. And we do. I am doing the affiliate marketing. We do like vacation trips, and and we got a coaching program we do, and I got another affiliate marketing I am promoting, and it's 90 minutes challenge program, affiliate marketing. And if y'all are interested in that program, please contact me and I'll respond to you. If you want to look at the link, I got the link below. And if you are interested, okay, you can look at it and see you like it, okay? And I won't be making videos for to after the holidays, okay? Y'all won't be seeing me making no more videos to after the holidays. Then I will get started back, okay? Thank you for everything y'all have been done, and happy holiday. Thank you. Bye. Merry Christmas. Thank you.